just install a fresh copy of Windows. Awesome. Today's video I will show you how to install essential software. Keep in mind we all have different, so the perfect software setup varies. But worry not, I'll show you some free and paid options just to get you started. First up, I think computer needs Windzip or WinRAR. I personally like WinRAR, but because Windzip is free, so you can download it and install directly. For WinRAR, you have to pay. You have the trial version, like 30-day trial version, so you can use after that. You can buy the subscription. The useful of this program, you can compress the file, and also you can read the zip and RAR file from others who compress that file sent to you, share to you as well. Next, we can avoid about the Microsoft Office suite. So this is every computer should have this basic, but most of people maybe don't need the whole package like Publisher, Visio, and Microsoft Access, etc. So that's why in this case I will just pick essential like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook to streamline your workflow. I'll show you a few different ways to get and install it in separate video. Apart from Word and Excel, like Adobe Acrobat Reader, it should be installed because you could read those PDF files. If you don't have the Adobe Reader, then you cannot open that file obviously, especially when you're working with your colleague. They always have that file. Of course, it's free and it's handy tool to view and interact with those picky PDF. But if you want the Pro version, you can edit it, you can create a form, etc. That's my personal thinking. If you know about all the tool that you use in Acrobat Reader, like a Pro one, then yeah, you should have, but you have to pay it. But just as a general person use the computer, I think the basic one would be fine. When it comes to entertainment category, I think the media player is the key one. Of course, for me, I like a VLC media player. So it's free, open source powerhouse that plays pretty much any format you throw at it. The Windows media player is also fine to play, but I think it's some file is struggle. But as I said, I like VLC. And you may know the digital world can be dangerous place. That's why an antivirus program is your knight in shining armor to protect your computer from viruses, malwares, and other online nasties. So we'll look at some popular options, free like Malwarebytes and paid like Defender or Avast, etc. to keep your system safe and sound. Remember, those fantastic software is a work of talented developers. Whether free or paid, big thank goes to them to make our digital life easier. Is there specific curious software? Please make comment in my video so I could feature in my future video. Thank you for watching.